my first order of the day. This one's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 and some change, going 6 miles, 6 items. These ready-made smoothies.
I'm guessing it should be in the end of the aisle, or it should be right up here where the juice is.
Might have just walked by it. That's not it. I'm dumb. Turns out I'm just dumb. So just this. Yes, it is. This, I think. Yep, good to go. Now we just hope that this pin is accurate on the map, because I've been here before and I've gotten lost here before. Alright, we got our next order. This one's gonna be for McDonald's. This one's $11, going 5.5 miles. I think I know where this one's going, and I'm not too happy about it because there's no free on-site parking. So I'm gonna have to park on a main street and pretty much just run there. And I think it's a locked building, so hopefully they let me in. I think I parked on the wrong side of the building. That's on me. All right, what are the odds that my car's still here? There it is. Okay, I accidentally accepted these two. Oh, it's a stack going to the same person. I believe it said $10 going about 4 miles. I really hope that's what it said, because if it's like $10 going 9 miles, I'm gonna be so mad.
Thank you. They're still working on
A lot of cars.
There you go.
Thank you. Next order up is for Seize the Bagel. This one is $8.75, going just under 5 miles. Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
You too. Ooh, here we go. Next order up is for Starbucks. This one is $10, going less than 3 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Enter your pickup and Seize the Bagel.
We've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. I think it said $13 and some change, going like 5.5 miles. Oh, I've delivered to this person before. I remember their message. It says, please don't knock. The dogs are rude AF and you deserve better. Love that. Hello. I think I'm gonna take this one. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16.50 going just under 8 miles, 2 items. All right. Oh no. Oh no. Please, please, please. So without making this difficult, I live in the basement of this location. Before you pull into the main driveway, towards the right of the driveway, you'll see my own personal gray cement driveway, which for some reason there's a hot tub placed there. Walk past it, then you'll see a wood post with a bright neon sign pointing to go down to the ramp. But to make this all easier, I'll try my best to time it to meet you outside so there's zero confusion. Thank you again. In all caps, I beg of you, absolutely do not go to the front door. Thank you so very, very much. Bro, what is happening with this order? This guy is stressing me out. This is kind of sketchy.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Yep. Just got my next order. This one is for Starbucks. $10 going just under 3 miles.
Put a hand underneath, okay? Lots of drinks in there.
Next order up is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. This one's $18 going 4.5 miles, 3 items. Am I buying an aquarium right now? How do I go about doing that? Lose my mind. Excuse me.
Yeah.
So I need your opinion. I just called them and they said they just want something that's like brown. I don't know like the difference, and I don't want to kill their fish.
For sure.
Got my next order lined up right away. It's gonna be for Panda Express. $10 going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. I took the wrong, oh my God. I just took a wrong turn. This is gonna take me another 10 minutes. Sorry about the way, I got stuck in the wrong lane and
okay.
took me on the freeway.
Thank you so much.
All right, next order up is for a place called Thai Orchid. This one is $8 going 4 miles.
Okay, sweet. I will go ahead and let the kitchen know you're here. It might be just like 5 or 10 minutes though.
Okay, do you have a restroom? I just want to wash my hands. Hello. Just got my next order. This one is for McDonald's. $10 going just under 4 miles. I'm looking at their order right now. It has 2 items. First one is a free McChicken and the second one is a free medium fry. There must be some sort of promotion going on right now that I need to be a part of.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That makes things a lot easier.
All right, I'm gonna call it here. I've had way too much human interaction for one day. Current time is 12:14. Current total is 140, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so if they pay out, it should bump me up to maybe the 160s. But yeah, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.